Hey guys, it's Lindsay from My Crafty Plans. Today I am planning the week of February 12th through 19th, also known as Valentine's Day week, in my Erin Condren hourly planner. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be using this My Valentine kit from Simply Ginger Co. This kit is in a premium matte paper, and I just love this art. I looked around at all different shops, and I just decided to get this Simply Ginger Co. one. I really love her layout, although she doesn't do deco, but I have a lot of deco that matches this kit, so I didn't really feel like I needed it. I'm also going to be throwing in some glitter headers from Scribble Prints Co. and as well some foil from Rose Colored Days, as well as some other places. I did a poll on my Instagram stories about whether or not I should include foil this week, and it said yes, but I'm really glad that I did because I am super excited. I also did grab some washi, and that is, I think, everything. So I'm going to flip this open to get started. It helps if you flip to the front half of the week, although I guess it doesn't really matter for this. I'm just going to be putting down the bottom washi and then those foil double date covers. I have like the pink glitter ones, and the Scribble Prints Co. glitter headers actually match like almost perfectly with the glitter on the date cover, so I thought that was like a nice touch to that. So then next I'm just going to run some washi across the top. I have like this rose pattern washi from Target Dollar Spot that I'm so obsessed with. I have like a ton of like decorative stuff also in this pattern. I have a mug, I have like these little clothespins, like this tray, so my desk is like all decked out with this week. And then the gold is also from the Target Dollar Spot, and it didn't really cut nice. And then for whatever reason, I like forgot how top washi works on this side of the page, and I realized that I covered up the date and then I cut it off to say February, and then I forgot that it also said 2018, and I just had to keep peeling it back. You would think that this was my first time doing this and not like, my fourth or fifth. But anyway, flipping over to the other side and just doing the exact same thing. I am really excited about Valentine's Day, not even like the actual holiday or like romantic stuff. I'm too pregnant to be thinking like that. I am just excited for all of the decoration. I have just been going all in on the pink, on the hearts, on the flowers, everything. And I am so not even remotely sick of it yet. Like, I think that I might even get to the end of February and still be like, no, I want more Valentine's Day stuff though. Although then next is my daughter's birthday, so that's like fun colors and bright kid stuff anyways. So I'm just adding in the foiled date dots. I couldn't decide like exactly where I wanted to put them. But I actually decided to put them not in the center, but just off to the sort of right of the word. And I think that came out really nicely. I actually really like the way that looks. So I would definitely do that again with these like kind of centered date covers. These date covers would also be perfect for like on the monthly, how I did it for my February setup, which I cut down a date strip to do pretty much the same thing. But these would be perfect for that. You wouldn't have to trim anything. My February setup video in here is linked below, so feel free to check that out if you want to. So then just flipping back over again to do the date dots on the other side, since I didn't do them before. I don't know why I always do that. I feel like I always end up starting the date dots on the second half of the week and then remembering that I forgot to do them on the other side. So then I'm going to spin this around to work on my sidebar. Mostly the same as last week. I'm going to do the quote box up top, and then my Instagram post weekly ombre, which I've really been liking. That it helps like keep me on point, and I've been doing really well with posting on Instagram every day. So if you want to see what I'm up to, check me out at My Crafty Plans. I am going to do one habit tracker this week. I want to focus on staying active and moving. I do feel like I am starting to slow down more than I had been the past couple weeks, so just trying to stay active as long as I can. Then I'm going to do one combined work and home to-do list or master like big picture this week. And I am going to do my word of the week at the bottom, which will be something kind of a Valentine's Day I really like having the word. And these are like matte stickers, so I have pretty much unlimited pen choices for writing on the stickers. I can even maybe use some brush pens. I feel like this is actually a pretty busy week, but I'm feeling like really positive about it. I'm fairly certain we found our new nanny. Unfortunately, our nanny has to stop working because she's like due the same time as me. And I think we finally found a replacement for her, and they are both coming next week, like sort of not together, but like on different days to sort of do like a trial thing. So I'm feeling really good about that. And I have a lot of help next week because of that, way more than I usually do. Just important to get everything all sorted out with that and tested. So I am thinking I'll be able to get a lot done, like not just work stuff, but also more like office organization stuff, finish my B6TN setup and like all kinds of stuff. So I'm really excited about that. So now I'm just laying down my naps and nannies washi where I track how many hours I have a nanny a day and how many hours a day my daughter naps. And I'm just using the washi from the kit. There's like this one washi in the kit that I'm not using because to me it looks like a little bit silvery, even though there's a lot of gold in the kit. I actually think it's just light pink, but it just with the sparkles, it looks a little silvery. So I'm going to skip that one, but I'm using all of the other ones. And then I am also laying down my meal little things. I am going to skip on Valentine's Day because we usually do like a crazy big fancy dinner and at home, not out at a restaurant, and I'm going to use a full box for that. Then also just like while I'm doing my regular stuff, before I forget, I'm going to throw down my sticker for 34 weeks as well. So then I remembered that my Mambi sticker books have a ton of foil in them, so I grabbed the mom ones, which have gold foiled holidays in them, and I'm gonna put down my this full box that says love and has like kind of space on the bottom, and then I'm gonna put the Valentine's Day gold foil sticker on top of that. Okay, so now going day by day, I have on Monday morning, I'm teaching another instance of the class I've been teaching at work. It's been going really well, actually, and this is the second to last one, so I'm really excited about that. And then Tuesday morning, I have a quick little call, and after that, I'm taking my daughter to a Valentine's Day play party. I actually think we're going to go to one on Tuesday and Wednesday. It's at the library. And instead of story time this week, that's what they're doing. It should be super, super adorable, like all kinds of like crafts and snacks and just fun toddler madness. Then on Wednesday afternoon, I have a quick team meeting and a chiropractor appointment as well. And since I didn't have a lot of space left, I decided to just go ahead and use my favorite, the 3-heart checklist, to do like a quick little thing there, but I actually am going to use the Rose Colored Days foil ones instead of the ones in the kit, and just to add another pop of foil, and I just think that it's going to look super cute like that. So now I'm just going to grab some icons for this half of the week. I've been liking doing it like this, to do like my characters and icons, put down all the boxes, then do characters and icons for half the week, and then when I flip over, doing the same thing on the other side. I feel like right now this is working, making me like go faster while I'm planning, which I like. It was, trying to find everything all at once or like as you go is too long, but then doing it at the end, sometimes I forget what the stuff is supposed to be. So I think this is like a good happy medium. The castle and the munchkin are once more with love. That girl is one of the new Scribble Prince Coast scribblers, and I got that on $3 Thursday, the laptop one, and then the kettlebell and the little computer icon are from the kit. So then I'm gonna put down this bow as well that's like leftovers from an old SPC kit, but I actually am gonna end up pulling it up later just because I felt like you couldn't even see it. So anyway, flipping on to the second half of the week. So then, as usual, I have my massively busy Thursday. So Thursday morning, my daughter does have her swim class. And last week, she like really turned a corner and she didn't cry at all during class. She loves the water, but she just started taking classes where I don't go in the pool, which was like super overwhelming for her. But I feel like she's finally getting used to it and enjoying her swimming again. So I'm really excited for this week. Thursday morning, marking down that my cleaning people are coming. And then Thursday afternoon, I actually have a doctor's appointment, just a little quick check. So if you watch My Plan With Me's every week, you're probably like, oh my gosh, this girl lives at the doctor. And I feel like I do, but that's called being third trimester pregnant or having a newborn. Actually, you're at the doctor quite a bit then too. Anyway, then Friday morning, I have a little work call meeting, and then I am grabbing my characters and icons again. So got my swim and doctor dinos, and some icons from the kit. Then I remembered that I like always have this meeting on Thursday, and why wasn't it in my pre-planning? And I realized I forgot some stuff while I was doing like my penciling things in. So oops on that, and I decided to do another foil gold 3-heart checklist to mark down my little call and some other to-dos that I'll need to take care of Thursday afternoon. So that's it for pre-planning. I decided I wanted to do some full boxes on the weekend just to go ahead and start with. We don't really have any plans, but gonna just throw in some of my favorite full boxes from the kit. And then I'm gonna put on the weekend banner as well, but that actually just kind of got cut out of frame a little bit, so sorry about that, but I did just put it down on the bottom washi. So I've been working on my sticker organization this week, and while I found that this gold foil sheet of like stars, and I have no idea like where or when this is from, but I decided to add in some gold stars to my 34 weeks and also to the library Valentine's Day playdate thing, just for like some extra pop of fun glitteriness there, and those stickers are foiled as well. And then you can see I pulled up the bow, or I'm going to pull up the bow like I said, because I felt like you couldn't see it, and I am going to swap that out for a heart icon from the kit. Oh, that is everything, and I think this just looks so cute. I just absolutely love this. This is definitely going to end up being one of my favorite spreads, I think. But I am going to pop off the camera and get this all filled out, and I will be right back. Okay, so that's everything all filled out. I'm actually like so excited that I decided to use the foil. I think it looks like so nice, and just like a little subtle touch. I need to definitely pick up more like foily icons, etc. I love how this came together, and I have a ton of deco stickers that like match this kit perfectly, because this was also the theme of the Scribble Prints Co. first ever traveler's notebook kit. It was called Roses, and I have that, and I've been using that in both my TNs. So I have like a lot of sticker sheets that it came with that have like super matchy stuff to this, and a bunch of die cuts and stuff as well. So I did just grab my pink K&Co XOXO bow, but it is like rose gold, so I actually just stuck it on the page behind so that you could see the bow, but not the rose gold, since I did use regular gold. Like all the base stuff is from the kit, which is the Simply Ginger Co. kit. Both of these washies are from Target Dollar Spot. The glitter headers and flags are from Scribble Prints Co. from an a la carte glitter sheet. The dinos and the little scribbler is from Scribble Prints Co. as well. And so are these balloons. This and like the little munchkins are Once More with Love. The Valentine's Day sticker is from the Mambi Mom sticker book, which I remembered had some foil stuff in there. All like the foil stuff other than that, and the stars is from Rose Colored Days. These stars, I just had an old sheet of these. Looks like this. I have literally no idea where it's from, but I remembered that I had that, so super cute. The word of the week is just love, and I did just stick that bow that I had been messing around with on there because I found it on the desk as I was cleaning it up, and I thought it looked cute over there. That I think is all of the stickers. Because this is the matte paper and this is the premium matte, I was able to do some lettering with a Tombow instead of just with a Sharpie. So this is my Tombow dual brush pen. It's $7.55 and this is from the Galaxy Pack, and I used that to do the word of the day and as well these Valentine's Day play ones. The other writing on the stickers is still in my Sharpie. The writing in the planner is in my Faber-Castell Pitt Artist pen. And the writing on the dark stickers is in my Uniball Signo White. I'd like to wish everybody a very happy Valentine's Day. I'm actually like more excited for the decorations and stuff than the actual holiday, but you know, whatever. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd love it if you subscribed, and definitely check me out on Instagram at mycraftyplans to keep up with how my spread's coming along throughout the week. Bye!